Battery Guys Nation, it's time to go treasure hunting. You ain't gonna believe what we got in yesterday. We picked up 841 batteries. No, that was on Monday. But look, what we're doing now, the crew is here. We're actually sorting out the batteries. And look what we got in. This right here is a golden nugget. What I mean by golden nugget, let me show you. These right here is what you call your H4 batteries. These little tiny little batteries right here. You know, you got different brands. Got Duralast that makes it. Come right here. Look, we got Super Start brand. We got Auto Gold brand. We got a Duralast right here. You know, so pretty much every manufacturer you can think of makes these little batteries, right? But you ain't gonna believe how much these batteries cost. Stay with me now. These batteries cost a lot of money. Let me show you. All right, you go to Advanced Auto Part website. You see right here, look. These batteries retail $236.99. That's $237 for that little bitty battery. I keep telling y'all, people are spending too much money for batteries. $237 for those little bitty batteries from a national auto part chain. But guess what? We got it, man. We got about $9 invested in this battery right here. We're gonna retail it, 2-year warranty for $110. 2 years, $110. Now, I don't know about you, but that's a lot of savings for the customers. That's half price. Half price. So we're saving the customer a lot of money, we're saving the environment, and we're making a little cash for the business as well. This is the reason why you want to get into the recycling and reconditioned battery business. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel.